sorry, but I can't see the phone cut the comments off when that alarm warning sign flashed across. I guess they said you better cut that phone off. Probably trying to tell me cut the phone off. The heck with the phone. But anyway, thank you guys for watching my video. I did a video before this, a live stream earlier. Actually, I probably did a couple live streams. I did uploads. Y'all know that I do uploads all the time. But anyway, y'all, thank you for your love and support. Please like, share, subscribe, join the membership club, comment. I got to turn right here. I don't want to miss my turn. Alright. I made it here safely. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, man. Oh. Well, I made it. I made it here. Well, it cut off the words because I don't see nothing. Retouch, create highlights, lighting.